Hello my wonderful people, I welcome you to my YouTube channel. My name is Edward Amwako, and if you are new here, I would like you to please hit on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel in order for you to get notified anytime we drop a new video. And if you are old here too, I will say you're welcome. In this tutorial we are going to learn about how to remove a picture background, or how to remove background in a picture. 3 ways of removing a picture background or a background from a picture. So without wasting much ado, let's get started.
We design the best of designs.
Alright, so the first step is I'm going to teach you in these 3 ways of removing a picture or removing a background in a picture. So this is my resource folder over here. This is my resource folder. You can get these pictures from Google. From Google. When you go to Google, then you search for images or image stocks, you'll be given all these pictures. Don't worry, I will put them in this in the description folder, or in the description over there. I'll put the link in the description so that you can get access to have these images, okay? Or if you have your own images, you can use it. All right, so the first thing that I would like to teach you is how to use Google or the online space to remove a picture background. So I am using you can use Chrome. If you have Chrome, Google Chrome, you can use it, but I'm using Opera browser. Okay, so you come to your Opera browser, go to Google search or search the web, and then you look for remove BG, all right, or remove background. So you click on the remove background, and then you come here, upload image. All right, you hit on the upload image, and it will take you to this platform, all right, where it will ask you to upload your image. Now when you hit on the upload image, it will take you to your computer. All right, so you just close it, and then it will give you the access to load the pictures from anywhere that you have saved your image from. So I've saved my image on my desktop, so let's go to desktop and then look for resources. So here is my images, resources. All right, so you upload any of these pictures that you want to remove the background. So imagine if I want to remove this first picture here, I'll click or double click it to upload it, and automatically it will remove the background for you. Have you sent it? Then when you are done, you come here to click on download. You click on download, and it will go straight to your download folder. Or if you have set your computer to a place where you want the images to download. So let's go to my download place to see where I have. So this is my download, and let's see. So this is the image. Okay, this is the image. Initially it was this, and now the image has now been turned to this. Okay, so this is the first step. Now let's take a look at the second step. All right, my wonderful. So the second step is using the Photoshop itself to remove the background. All right, so let's go to Photoshop. So this is my Photoshop 2021. all right, so let's open our image, and then let's go to our resources, where I said the resources are set. So here is it. Let's take a look at any of these pictures. So let's take the yellow one. Let's load it, open it. So you come to your Photoshop, and then you click on open, or you come to file, and then you come to file over here, and then you come to open. All right, and then it will take you to your resource folder, then you load it. Okay, so I can load as many pictures as I want. So if I want to remove the first one, the background over here, these are all my tools. Okay, so the first tool that I'm going to use is so you come to your magic tool, and then you just have to open the background. Make sure you have opened the background, and then you click on this part, you click on remove. Okay, make sure you open the background, and then you click it again, you come to this part. Have you seen it? You click on the delete, you come here, you click on delete, you click on. So you have to take your time. So when you are done with this, you just have to control D to deselect, then come and pick your move tool. Alright, so here is it, you zoom out your image, and then now you are going to work on it. You can see we have some parts that we don't like, so you can just click it again. Alright, you can just have to zoom it out, click it again, and come and pick. Now you come and pick your eraser tool. Okay, so if you see my brush is too big, I'll reduce the brush. Alright, then zoom it out. Here you have to zoom out. Sorry, you have to zoom out. Then start to brush or erase the part that you don't like. So here you have to be very careful in order to remove your background. So if you see my brush is too big, I'll reduce it. Yes, I think this is okay. So yeah, you need to, when you are removing background, you need to be very careful. You want to get the image clear. You want to get the image clear. Okay, let me go and reduce my brush. Okay, very nice one. This thing down here. So I've removed my background. Okay, so when you are done, just save your work as PNG. Come here, come and save your work. Save your work as a PNG. Okay, and the folder resources. You click. Okay. Alright, so let's hit to our folder resources to check how our image has now turned into. Okay, so this is our image. At first it was this, and now it has turned to at first it was this. Okay, it has now turned to this. And now alright guys, so let's move on to the last stage of removing picture or removing a background in Photoshop. So I'll come to Photoshop, come to file, open any picture of this. Let me drop in this picture particularly. I really love this picture a lot. Let me drop in this one. Alright, so with this, quickly just open the background, pick your the magic eraser to this one. Okay, and then you click on any part of the background, click here, then you click this part. Alright, yes, you click this part, then you click this one too, and then your background has been removed. If you don't want this, you can come and then open a new picture as well. Just a new picture like this. You just drop in, come and then open the background, and then you pick your magic eraser tool. Alright, click any parts, click this part, and your background is open. When you are done, you just have to save your work as PNG. Don't forget this, always save the work as PNG. Okay, there is a reason to that. Alright, so let me put that one in our resource folder. Okay, so let's quickly go to the resource folder to have a look at the image. So there is the image. Let's give it some time for it to finish loading. Okay, so there is it. So please, if for example, because of our time, you can just pick your eraser to remove this particular bag. You can see that because of time. So for you to stress yourself from all these, you just have to, the best approach is you to use the online platform where you come to www.removebackground. I think that one will be the best platform. That is what I normally use. Alright, so please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do, in order for you to receive or get notification anytime we drop new videos. Thank you.